Welcome back to my channel. So today's day 12 of my Vlogtober, and I just got off of work, and I'm supposed to head to the gym, but unfortunately I'm not gonna go. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's freaking traffic. There's a freaking there's a train that stopped right now, which is so aggravating. Like, it's literally stopped, so I know traffic is insane right now. I'm just gonna have to find another route. Yeah, so I'm not going to the gym, and I have to take this crap out my head. I had this in my head for my anniversary party. If you guys haven't checked that out, please make sure you check that out. It was a lot of fun. But yeah, I'm heading to the hair store so I can get me some bonding hair glue removal. I'm not getting my hair done, unfortunately, which I possibly can, but it's not in my budget right now until you get my hair done. So I'm gonna put one of my U-part wigs from Love Me Hair. Oh, this is so aggravating. So I'm gonna put my U-part wig from Love Me Hair in my head, and then I wanted braids in my hair, but it's too late for me to ask my friend to get my hair braided back. But yes, I'm taking this out. My couch finally comes in, which I'm so excited for, and then I'll show you guys how I set everything up and how my living room looks. I don't know if I should have showed you guys the before and after, but yeah. And then I have a coffee table that I want to put up, so I'm taking you guys along with me. But yeah, I'm super excited for this weekend, and I'm super excited to take this crap out of my head, because this Black and Gold Sensual pack never used to be so raggedy. Like, damn, like usually it'll last me a good 2 weeks. This ain't even last me a week, and it was already knotting up and stuff. I mean, I guess you get what you pay for, right? So yeah, let me go ahead and try to find me another route to get home, because traffic is insane. It's so aggravating. So I'm gonna holler at you guys once I get to the hair store. Actually, y'all, like, somebody got hit by a train, I think. I'm not sure what's going on. Let me see if I can get a video. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on, but it looks like a car. It could be a car, it could be something, but it looked like there's ambulance, there's fire trucks. So yeah, if it's on the news, I haven't linked, but yeah, I am so curious to find out what's going on, because there's traffic, there's train traffic. I don't know if you guys could see too in the back. But yeah, I don't know what happened. I'll get back on here once I find out what's going on, because yeah, I don't know how to get home right now. All right, so I am home, and there's no couch. So my husband ended up, you know, breaking down the other couch that we had here. I'm probably gonna move this rug, because we don't know if this rug is actually gonna go with the new couch. But this is how it looks. This is supposed to go upstairs. But yeah, this is where the couch is gonna go. So I did get to the hair store. My husband ended up calling me, so I couldn't record. But let's see what we got. All right, so I wanted to try this. I've been seeing these shampoos all over, or this brand all over TikTok, and they say how great it is. So I got the moisturizing detangling shampoo and the moisturizing detangling conditioner, which deeply hydrates, condition, and silk and stick curly type 4 hair. Type 4 hair. I don't have type 4 hair, but we're gonna see if it works for me. So this is what I got. And they said it helps with hair growth. And then I also got this avocado moisturizing hair milk. So hopefully this works. Yeah, so this is supposed to be good on all hair types, so we'll see. And then of course I got the creamy super hair bond removal, which is good for quick weave, so this is definitely going on my hair now. And of course I got some lashes for the weekend. So let me go ahead and get changed. All of this was just 50 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and get changed so I can get started on getting this hair removed. All right, so I found out exactly what happened when leaving work today, when there was just traffic everywhere and all the tracks, rural tracks, were closed. So apparently one person is seriously injured after a freight train hit a vehicle downtown West Palm Beach Wednesday evening. West Palm Beach is West Palm Beach, Florida. The crash occurred shortly before 5:30 p.m. Mind you, that's the time we get off work. So you know I'm aggravated. At the railroad crossing, West Palm Beach police said the driver of the vehicle is a woman in her 60s, which extricated from the vehicle and rushed to the hospital in very critical condition. Witnesses say several ambulances were at the scene, and one person described the scene saying the train plowed into the car. So I figured something like that happened because there's no way that cops would be all over the scene like that unless either somebody jumped in front of the train, which has happened multiple times, or two, someone was on the tracks when they weren't supposed to be on the tracks when crossing thing comes on. So hopefully she survives, hopefully she makes it. Hopefully it's not a case where the crossing, the sticks things and they go down. Hopefully it's not a case where it didn't go down and she was on the tracks and the train still hit her, because that is a lawsuit. Or she tried to cross while it was going down and then unfortunately that happened. Sending well wishes to her. Hopefully, you know, she gets well soon. So yeah, that's what ended up happening as I was leaving. It took me damn near 30 minutes to get home, but I did have to stop at the hair store. So yeah, it was a good 30 minutes to get home, which is fine, whatever. But yeah, let me go ahead and strip my clothes off and get my hair, yeah. All right, so this is what we're looking like. Let me go ahead and pull my natural hair out. I'm just gonna go ahead and go right for it. All right, so the directions say, apply the layer of salon pearls. They said, move it to the front and back with the pre-bonded weft. Use your fingers gently to massage the bonding ring to the bonded weft. Do not pull. Gently remove any traces of hair bonding glue with a fine tooth comb. Okay, so. Well, some of these are already coming out, which is good. Alright, so I guess, oh, it's already lifting. I'm not pulling, but it's like slowly coming out, and I'm gonna slowly put it in after each weft.
Kick.
Alright, so now I'm left with the tissue, which she glued down. I'm not glued down. She sewed down to last a little longer. So let me go ahead and cut this out. Alright, so I'm gonna give me some smaller scissors and get back to you guys because this looks like it's a scientific project. All right, so we got all the paper off. Now it's time to, I hope I didn't cut none of my hair. I think I still have some in there. I don't even know where to begin with my hair. She braided this so good. All right, you know what? Oh, all right, I found it, I found it. There we go, yay. Oh my god, this feels amazing. Woo. Ain't nothing like taking your hair out of braids. Woo! Yes. Everything is out of my hair. I am so happy about that. There is like minor glue in here, but I put the bond removal, so it all should come out, honestly. Yeah, it should be coming out. Yeah, it's like, and I hate to like comb my hair out dry, so I'm gonna put this like throughout my hair, just in case, especially in the front, the back. So if there's any more glue, it can loosen up and I can start washing. I remember back then, like, we used to just like without having a bond removal, just, that was insane. We didn't care about our hair back then. That's insane. Because I know for the anniversary I wanted something quick, and actually I did want something that would last me to the weekend, this coming weekend, but unfortunately didn't. The hair I bought, I mean, when you buy cheap hair, it's not gonna last, so I don't even know why I expected it to last long. But I'm just like, if I remember correctly, like, hair used to last long. Like Milky, if you guys remember Milky Way, remember how we used to get that those fair grandma hairstyles? Like, hair used to last us a while. Now it's like they just stopped caring. You know, with all the bundles and stuff. So that's all good though. You know, you gotta make do what you do, especially if people ain't buying. And plus, people can't afford bundles all the time. See how much glue is still in my hair? So yeah, make sure you guys cop this. If you're a regular and you're used to getting quick weaves, make sure you don't like pull it out. Make sure you got like this stuff in your hair to help like loosen it, because it's easier to come out as I'm combing my hair. Like, yeah, it's coming out. So all right, so I'm so happy that I was able to get this out today. And I'm honestly glad, because if I went to the gym, I wouldn't have wanted to come home to do this. I would have been tired, I would have been hungry. And sometimes it's okay to skip a day. You guys know I skip multiple days. And it's all good. Would I get quick weave again? No. Go back to my wigs. I'm gonna go back to my wigs, my U-part wigs, my V-part wigs, my frontal wigs. If possible, I don't really like wearing frontals like that unless it's glueless. I'm gonna go back to my braids and sew-ins. Can't forget sew-ins. Like, I love me a nice traditional sewing. And a lot of people be like, oh, I don't like to leave out. But as long as you take care of your hair, like, your hair won't get damaged. Like me. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair so I could really detangle it. And then once I'm done washing my hair, I'll get back on camera. But yeah, I need to get my nails done too. If you guys don't have one of these, make sure you cop it. And we, as black women, we can't be combing our hair dry like that. Anyway, alright y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all when you get a shower. Before I jump in the shower, I just want to let you guys know that this smells so freaking good. Like, wow. Oh, my hair is gonna smell so good. Smell this one. Okay, it smells normal, but the shampoo and conditioner, that thing smells good as hell, girl. Alright, so I just got out the shower, drying my hair. I like to, don't mind the armpits. I like to air dry my hair first and then blow dry it. Ooh, I look crazy. But this is, look at the shrinkage. Isn't that crazy? Like, yeah. Like one of the girls back in high school. Anyway, I'm gonna let it air dry for a little bit. I think I'm gonna put this on there to give it some moisture and then blow dry. So this is how it's looking. Honestly, it's not fully combed out. Like, this hair of mine is a lot. Like, I have to keep wetting it to comb out the ends. I don't know, maybe this shampoo isn't for me. Well, my stupid ass bought the type 4, whatever this shit called. I don't know. Anyway it goes, this is how my hair is looking. I'm about to braid it back. I'm not gonna keep my hair out. I'm gonna braid it and I'm gonna keep a leave out for my U-part wig. But I don't know if I want to do it tonight. Nah, I'm not doing it tonight. Washing it was enough. In a ponytail it goes, and then I'll braid it tomorrow. Now I need to pack, so I'm gonna pack me a little suitcase. We're only gonna be there for 2 days. Yeah, we're only gonna be there for 2 days, so yeah, let me go ahead and clean this bathroom and start packing. All right, so it's already gonna be a chill weekend. Like, we're not going out. I don't think we're doing any restaurants. It's just walking the strip and having a good time. So I've worn this before. I'll put the picture on the screen. This is super cute outfit, and it's low maintenance, it's light, and I know it's gonna be hot in Fort Lauderdale, so I don't have to worry about it being too thick or whatever. So it's long pants. And then I also have this outfit. I don't think I have a full picture with this on, but it's just shorts and this halter top. It's cute and it's comfortable, and I think it's perfect for fall. Alright, so I also have this jumpsuit. If you guys seen some of my try on hauls, this is one of the ones I've tried on. I've never wore it, but I'm gonna bring it just in case, like depending on how the vibe goes. I'm gonna go ahead and wear it. It's so cute though. It has an open back, and I think it's perfect for the fall. Down there in Fort Lauderdale, but I don't know, it's a whole bunch of colors going on, but whatever. I'm not into that whole neutral bullshit for the fall. Alright, and I also have this cute little dress that I got from Pretty Little Thing. It's a little short, little cute dress. I don't know, I'm gonna just bring it just in case. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I'm an outfit repeater, so I'm gonna bring this two top. It's so cute. And then I have this skirt I've never wore, so I'm gonna wear that with this. And then I have this crop top. It look like drawers. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it. My tits are not as small as I think it is, and I'll probably wear that with some shorts. I usually forget that some of my work pants can actually be used for go out too, so I'm gonna bring this top to go with that crop top. Please excuse how I look, y'all. I know I be looking crazy on here, but not everything is glitz and glam. That's one thing I want to try to teach y'all. Like, you ain't gotta put on makeup all the goddamn time to post a video. Post your content. You can be beautiful one day and then you can look a mess another. That's okay. You still beautiful at the end of the day, okay? Anyway, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm pick back up tomorrow because I still gotta edit this and post this bitch tonight. What time is it? It is 10:23. So I need to go ahead and start editing and post this. That way I can take you guys along with me tomorrow. Thank you guys again. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That really does help the algorithm of YouTube. It pushes my video out so other people can see it, so I can get more subscribers and get more content out to you guys. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.